There it is, opening scene. I'll give you a close-up. That one says maybe 50. And this one says, 48. So it's some... Oh, actually those are closer than I thought. So we got some heat rolling here. And I just broke into the barn. So I will show you what it looks like on a January day. Let's go this way. You lead the way. I'll follow. Okay. Oh, here's a long shot. This is for my Edgar. My Edgar is very curious about my structure. He's an engineer at heart. No, he's an engineer. Yeah, he's trained. So we can slip right in here. And then we get to step inside. And there's my Leroy. He's just, it's amazing the patience of machinery. It just sits and waits. It's all cozy. It's not being snowed on. Well, this guy's got a little bit of snow coming in. Yeah, I can't. A little bit of snow. I got a breach in my curtaining. So we go through here. I get my other glove on. One moment, please. Talk amongst yourselves. There's... Okay. Now we can deal with it. So this is what my barn looks like when it's 0 degrees. And there's a bunch of snow that came off the roof and piled in. Okay, let's see. We got a little... He's wondering how I got this whole floor system in. Oh. And then there's a better view of that corner. And then let's go upstairs and show you what it looks like. I just love my barn. It's so nice to see. It's so nice to see. A little bit of snow blowing in, no big deal. Couches faring well. Nobody living on it. And there's what the shop and the yard. It's very quiet. Okay. Got an outhouse. Yeah. Now let's go upstairs. So we got 2 telephone poles that are out in front of the building, and then a big header coming across, 18-footer. There's a go. Tie back, the roof, a split roof, so I could have a doorway. See, I wanted that doorway. There's no other way to do it, because this is my limiting thing right here, this header. And there's the supporting beams that hold the other end of the floor. And again, this is what it looks like when it's 0 and nobody's doing anything. We know better. Okay, up the stairs, my vertical stairway. And okay, so I did get some OSB up, and then here's looking south, my field beyond. Lots of box elder going everywhere. Weed tree loves the rich ground. Am I going too fast? There you go. There's what it looks like. See, it's self-shedding. It could snow like crazy. I think this would be a good hurricane building. I would love to build one of these and make a house out of it. This size is more than sufficient. You could make it smaller. You'd actually make about a 24-footer. And you'd have a pretty good living space. There you go. I don't know what else I can show you. Lots of white. Lots of white. And we're getting there. I hope to get a floor down. Lots to do. Here, be careful. Yeah, got a breach here. I have a flap that blew up, so it's even more open, but there was a little opening here. I don't think I'll get to it. It's gonna just be what it is. I was curious about these curtains because when the roof melted the other day, it all came down and it sits here. The rest of it's shed, but not here. Okay, maybe I'll just sign out. Huh? Yeah. There you go. You look at my mug one more time. I'm out of here tomorrow, last day. And then I'll post this. You'll see it when I get back to Florida. See you later, everybody. Bye.